Hello again, my perceptive pals. We're on the lookout for things that start with the OOL sound. There are lots to locate. Do you see any?
Log. Log starts with the low sound. Oh, a leopard. Leopard starts with low.
Lovely. Log and leopard both start with the OOL sound. But I'm looking at one more.
How about lamb? Lamb starts with OOL too.
Correctamundo. Lamb starts with the letter L. You are the liveliest bunch of OOL sound locators this moose has ever laid eyes on.
Go play. No, go play.
Go Diego Go enhances preschoolers' observation and Spanish language skills, as well as their awareness of the diversity of living things and the use of tools and technology for scientific study.